discuss about plant kingdom. The plant kingdom further divided into two parts: cryptogamy and phanerogamy. Cryptogamy means plants without seed. Seedless plants found in cryptogamy, and the phanerogamy, it's a seed-bearing plants. And the cryptogamy further divided into three parts: first Thallophyta, second Bryophyta, and third Pteridophyta. Thallophyta, embryo stage absent in thallophytes, and the example of thallophytes like algae and fungi. Algae, it's an aquatic plants, and it's containing 5 types of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll A, B, C, D, and E. A and B, it's the most powerful chlorophyllous pigments found in terrestrial plants, but in aquatic plants, other remaining chlorophyll contents are present in aquatic plants like algae is divided into three parts. First, Rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae, it's a red color algae. Example, Batrachospermum. It's containing A and D type of chlorophyll compound. And the second part, Phaeophyceae, and it's the brown color algae, and the chlorophyll content in A and C. And example of Rhodophyceae algae, Ectocarpus. And third one is Chlorophyceae. And Chlorophyceae, mostly green algae, green color algae included in this part of classification, and the A and B, most important chlorophyllous pigments. And the green algae, further the example of green algae are Chlorophyceae, including Spirogyra. You know Spirogyra, it's a filamentous algae, and filamentous algae, it's the outer layer is gelatinous and the found in aquatic region, and inside the fragmented structure, and it's act as a asexual reproduction very fast in algae, Spirogyra algae. And the Chlamydomonas, it's a ball-like structure in aquatic region, it found in colony. And the Eulochrates, it's a club-shaped algae. And the fungi, it's saprophytic in nature, and fungi divided into five parts. First, Myxomycetes, and Myxomycetes, example like a Plasmodium or a slime mold. Phycomycetes, Rhizopus, and bread mold. And the Rhizopus and bread mold, you know the fungi like a club-shaped structure, and on the bread piece in form of like this, in filamentous and club-shaped structure like this. And the mycelium and hyphae is the columella, the swellum structure at the base of the sporangium. Inside the sporangium, spores develop and multiple division inside the sperm, and then spores liberated, rupture the outer layer of the sporangium, then liberated on the bread piece. And the Rhizopus, the Ascomycetes, the example of Ascomycetes, yeast and penicillium. Yeast, it's a powdery, sweetest powdery structure, and it's used for the fermentation. And the Basidomycetes, example Agaricus. Agaricus, the botanical name of mushroom, some mushroom edible, and the other is poisonous. And the Deuteromycetes, last fungi classification is Deuteromycetes. And Deuteromycetes, the example Trichoderma and Sapropora. And the other part, bryophytes. Means most important question, difference between algae and fungi. Algae, at the outer are cell wall made up of cellulose, and in case of fungi the cell wall is made up of chitin, and the stored food in algae is in form of starch, and the fungi stored food in form of glycogen, glucose, starch or glucose, and in glycogen form, and the spores produced in both cases, and it's a autotrophic in nature. Algae is mostly, but in case of fungi it's a saprophytes, are depending other organic matter for development. And the bryophytes, embryo present, it's a semi-aquatic type of plants. Embryo present, vascular bundle or a vascular tissue like a xylem and phloem absent, and no well-developed root, leaf and stem-like structure. And the first classification of bryophytes, first part is Hepaticae. Hepaticae, example of Hepaticae is liver rot, and Rixia and Markensia. And the structure of liver rot like a thallus-like structure, like this, floating on the water current in a pond, and then the elongated structure like a flower-like structure. It's a antheridium or archegonium. Means male and female are separated, and archegonium, antheridium male part and archegonium female part of the sex organ, female part. Our plant are separated, or a thallus-like structure, thallus. And the Anthrocerote, second classification of bryophytes is Anthrocerote, example horn rots, and third one is Muci, including mosses. And mosses, the whole part of plant divided into sporophytes or gametophytes in part. And the other third one is pteridophytes. The seeds absent in this case, and heterosporous in nature, micro and macro spores found, and jacketed in jackets. And the example is fern. And phanerogamy, seed bearing plants, spermatophytes, and spermatophytes divided into two parts, naked seeds like a gymnosperms, and covered seeds inside the fruit like a angiosperms. Gymnosperms divided into three parts, cycadales means cycas, including cycas. It's ornamental plants and mesophytes. And the coniferous, it's a evergreen plants, and pinus water deficiency जिस रेंज में होती है वहाँ पर ये ग्रो करते हैं pinus. And netum. Then the other part, angiosperms divided into two parts, monocot and dicot. Monocot, it's a one cotyledons containing, and the dicot two cotyledons containing. And the monocot means most important difference, dicot and monocot plants. The monocot plants containing fibrous root, and the dicot plants containing tap root or adventitious root. Mostly some plants monocot are containing tap root. And the wheat, rice, maize, sugarcane, etc. The example of monocot. And the dicot plant like a China rose, means China rose hibiscus, or a gudhal is a common common name, and the mango gram seeds. And the externally observe and the distinguish the both type of plant, like external feature means on the basis of leaflets are a reticulate venation found in dicot leaf, like this dicot leaf, the lamella, and the like this. It's a reticulate venation, net-like structure. It's a reticulate venation on a dicot leaf. But in monocot leaf, like this, it's a tapered end and the parallel venation. Parallel venation. And the stomatas and the parallel venation are a monocot plants, like a dumbbell shape. The structure totally changed, dumbbell shaped, and the bean shaped structure and the bean shaped structure on dicot plants. And the in monocot leaf, both side number of stomatas are equal in numbers, but in dicot leaf, upper surface less stomatas containing and lower surface in comparison to upper, then lower maximum stomatas containing sides.